Hello, so in this video I will explain how to use materials. So materials are located below properties. So here we have basic materials, sample materials. And if I click in sketch, so I can see materials which are located in the sketch. I also can add materials by creating my own material, or I can import materials, but this one works for only for students who has Autodesk account, and they can use this Pro tools from FormIt. If you are not registered and you just open a free version of FormIt, these nice libraries of materials will not be accessible. So in this case you need to create your own materials. So let's cancel this one. So now I would like to put wood texture for my table. So I will create a copy of this table to show how the material assignment works. So now I can activate material. So I select material and just move the brush and select object, and it automatically put the color on my object. If I double tap and I activate the group mode, so I can put the different material on different elements of my table. And because my group is the same for all these tables, so you see if I change group settings, so each object will update and change, and if I assign the material to the group, so it will repaint only one group. And if I want to make unique table, so I need to make copy, paste, and like in last class, make unique. So in this case I can use unique colors and change and make nice colorful table. So let's say I want to create material, so I can click here. I can read more on this topic in FormIt help. Also I can select the color. I can pick the color from any location. Let's say I want this blue, and it automatically grabs this color, and I click OK. Yeah. And I can change transparency of this color. I can change how glossy this color is. Is it reflective or direct reflection or oblique reflection? And if all things are set, so material 12, and I click OK. So let's look for material 12. Yeah, I have nice material, and I can paint my table, and I see nice glossy reflective material, and my table legs are nicely painted. Also I can add texture, so in this case I need to upload the image for this object, and also if it's needed I can change bumps and cutouts. So how it looks, I can click edit on this one, and I can see nice grass texture, simple gray color. Let's try this one. This is similar. And let's go to sample materials. And if I use sample material and will paint this one, now this material is in my list. And if I click edit, yeah, so bumps and cuts, it's not provided here. So these are more advanced options to create nice visual elements for materials. And like I mentioned, you can always click this question mark and go to the help page and read more how to create materials and how to work with materials. Let's click escape and let's finish this one. Thank you.